Village boy steps forwards and points to Yuki. Yuki is crazy. He set fire to the rice crops. To the rest of the villages. He did it on purpose. I saw him. Yuki. Look, look. Points over the head of the people to the audience. A tsunami. All the characters on the stage gasp, clasp each other's hand and hide their face in their hands with fear. It was just how grandfather had described the tsunami. Everything he had said would happen has come true. First comes the earthquake, then the sea turns black and pulls away from the land. Then the tsunami comes and everything is swept away. So when they all reach the mountain top, the village boy who was sitting in front of Yuki's house and was looking at Yuki burning all the rice stacks comes out and tells that this is all deliberately been done by Yuki. Yuki has done this knowingly and he is to be blamed for setting the rice stacks on fire. And he told that it is done by him on purpose. He had not done it unknowingly. Rather than that, Yuki has knowingly burnt all our rice crops. So what Yuki did, he showed the villagers that what was happening in the sea, and just when all the villagers looked at the sea, they could see a tsunami approaching their village. And then Yuki explained, this is what I have heard from my grandfather, and this is all the signs that we had been experienced was because of this tsunami to take place. First, what will happen? First, the earth will shake, then the sea will turn black, then the water will move backwards, and then will come the tsunami. Yuki had heard about all these things would happen from his grandfather, and therefore he was able to warn the other villagers about what a serious situation was happening. And it was fathomable, it was unimaginable if the villagers had gone to the sea to collect the seashells. It was quite obvious that they would all have been swept away by the ocean and a great disaster would have happened. But Yuki was a very smart boy, and what he did, he tried to save all his villages, and that is the reason he had burned the rice stacks. Village boy sadly, our village has been swept away. It is gone. The tsunami took it away like it was never there. Yuki, I am so sorry that I burned the rice stacks. I had to find a way to get everyone to top of the mountain. So when the tsunami approached and had swept away all the village, has swept away the whole village, the village boy, he was quite sad. He told that I feel like there was nothing anywhere to be found. I feel everything has been taken away by tsunami, like there was nothing in place. And then Yuki explained that I am so sorry for burning all the rice stacks, but I had to look for a way to bring all the villages to a safer place, so that even if our things are washed away, it is still good to have our lives with ourselves. It is better to get rid of those materialistic things, but seeing your own fellow villagers die is not a good thing.